Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be exciting. You must have heard that many people earn money from home and never go to their boss's office. Especially for all the students out there. We are going to talk about how students can earn money online. Yes, you heard it right. So, if you are a student and looking to earn some extra money along with your studies, then this video is for you. Before we move on, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Now, let's get started. So, you might be wondering, how can I earn online as a student? Well, there are tons of authorized opportunities out there, and I will tell you some of the best ways to do it. First up, we have freelancing. Freelancing platforms are an abundant resource if you have any skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or video editing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients around the world who are willing to pay for your expertise. It is a great way to not only earn money but also gain real-world experience and build your portfolio. Now, let's move on to another great opportunity. If you excel in a particular subject or have excellent teaching skills, then online tutoring might be the perfect fit for you. Several platforms such as Unacademy, Udemy.com, and Vedantu allow you to teach students from the comfort of your home. The best part is that you can set your schedule and work at your convenience. Plus, it's a gratifying way to share your knowledge and help others succeed academically. Moving on, let's explore another exciting opportunity. Do you have a passion for creating content? Whether it's making videos on YouTube, starting a blog, or becoming an Instagram influencer, content creation can be incredibly rewarding. Building an audience can take time, but once you have a devoted following, there are many ways to monetize your content through advertising, sponsorship, and even selling digital products. Well, we have included 3 great ways for students to earn online. But wait, there is more. If you are looking to do something simple in your spare time, then participating in online surveys and market research can help you earn some extra pocket money. Although it may not make you rich, it is an easy way to earn some money while sharing your opinion on various products and services. Lastly, let's talk about something that is gaining popularity among students. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. You act as a middleman, and when a customer purchases from your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. It does require some initial setup and marketing, but with dedication and creativity, it can be a lucrative venture. And there you have it, 5 great ways for students to make money online. Whether you choose freelancing, tutoring, content creation, surveys, or dropshipping, remember that success comes from hard work and persistence. Also available in other ways. But these are better than others because learning never stops. You can do it easily. Along with education, and after that you can also run any business module. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay ambitious, and keep exploring the endless opportunities the online world has to offer. Take care.